Kulumka Takhuk Bukuk Song, Chwng, Tini Agartala Airport of Haisappaika, Tini Tripura People Foundation iti, Ang Dinesh Debbarma, Tripura People Foundation founder and director, Ani Logi Tongo Chini Takhuk John, president of Bangalore Tripura People Foundation, Tei Pradeep, president of Kerala Tripura People Foundation. Tini Chwng Agartala Airport of Ma Phaimani Karanokha Chini Takhuk khoroksa Bangalore Langma Chomani, Daniel Vanlal Room Hal Darlong. Bini dead body tini agot lawa phai tongo bini langma chokha Bangalore brain hemorrhage mani yagulo bini busla khoroksa tongo boro aro samong khlaine boro yang hospital khaprum laimang bono narage manlia finally bini langma choi thangani nangkha bini tabuk Chwng sini Takhuk VN Darlong by kok salaine president of Darlong Association Agartala
Society Agartala. We are here to bid farewell and to pay homage to the late Mr. Vanlal Khuma as organization, as members of Darlong Welfare Society of Agartala. We would like to specially thank this Tripura People Foundation. Here, founder leader Mr. Dinesh Debbarma is here with me. He has taken lots of pain in arranging in transportation of the dead body right from Bangalore to Agartala, which is not a easy task. So they have been doing this noble job since lockdown, and so far they have already arrange this transportation of at least 84 human remains from Bangalore to Agartala. So this kind of noble job task they are doing is really praiseworthy. And today, as Darlong Welfare Society Agartala, we really thank them. We are grateful to them. We praise them. We wish them their success and they should rise at higher level in the coming days. May God bless them in all their endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your beautiful words, sir. So I just wanted to give a short information or short knowledge to our Tripuri guys. We are not only organized in Bangalore, but we are organized in all over the South India, Chennai, Kerala, Hyderabad, Pune. These are the places where we are spread it. So far, we have been connecting with all the Tripuris staying in these different states. We are trying to spread our hands in other states, like even in Meghalaya, Guwahati, or West Bengal and all, wherever possible, so that we can bring all the Tripuras together. Limited of any titles we bear, any language we speak, it's all that we are the son of Tripura's soil.
Oh, good.
So that's how we aim, and we have aimed that no body remains of any Tripurish should be buried or cremated out of Tripura. They should be back to Tripura without fail. That is our main motto, and we have been doing that so far. The dead bodies were not just from Bangalore, but it was spreaded from Chennai, from Kerala, from Hyderabad, and from Mumbai, and also from Pune. That we had sent the dead bodies so far, which had made the count to 84 dead bodies so far. But we wish that nobody dies outside of homeland, so that their family should not get disturbed, or should not say like we could have met him the last time when he was alive. We wish that nobody should face that issues. But I request all the public, all the people staying out of Tripura to take care of yourself. If you have any medical issues, please visit a doctor without fail. If you need some help, take help from your family members or from your relatives. But do not sit idle at home and get that sickness high to the core when your life gets passed away. Thank you very much. You want, sir wants to say something?
Small message for the Darlong community, so that we can stay all together. So, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
In Darlong, right?
In Darlong, yeah, please.
Tripura People Foundation, Mang ka sin roin puita kan ithohi. Namdangan lamnan nailain. Namtin chitin. Every tribe marama piang phochu marama ipum ve the dingaram changna ila din organization anga ito hi ekola I om zako engin hakahi amahi athom sakpuni na asapso ku changa Mr. Dinesh de Burma machu hilom om changa ma angka tilhi kunsot ka ma e dongzole he changa nam in ken ya ma angkata in tlang ka til thohi eni homen ten hun pa mo omela e connecting in holding nina mahi rengka en tang kuin pom theina ding mun tlang ni he ta dinga big takin a changti e hoi in som. I wish every tribe of Tripuris who resides in Tripura originally should get into it. We should give importance to it, and also connecting each other as far as possible wherever we are. It is very, very important, and this kind of foundation is praiseworthy. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your beautiful words.
Thank you.
Thank you.